Your Mercedes check engine light just popped on, and now the dealership wants to charge you hundreds for a simple diagnostic scan? That's frustrating, right? Well, here's the good news. The right OBD2 scanner can save you all that money and give you a clear understanding of what's really going on with your car. So after diving deep into customer feedback and checking out the features, I've got the top 5 OBD2 scanners for 2025. Let's take a closer look. Starting with number 5, the iCarsoft MB2 OBD2 scanner. This one really stands out with its comprehensive system coverage and lifetime software updates, a huge plus for long-term value. It reads data from all major vehicle systems and displays up to 118 live data streams in clear, colorful graphs. Navigating through the interface? Super easy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, it's designed to be straightforward yet powerful. Features like oil reset and parking brake recalibration work reliably, making your maintenance routine so much simpler. Now, let's talk about the build quality. It actually feels solid in hand, and the ergonomic design means no discomfort, even during longer diagnostic sessions. The screen is sharp and easy to read though. Under direct sunlight, it could be a bit brighter. But no scanner is perfect, right? If you're looking for advanced functions, you might find a few limitations. Some users have reported connectivity issues with certain ECU modules, and if you're using it on newer Mercedes models, it can be hit or miss. Another thing to note, the graphing function, while useful, has a slight delay when showing real-time data. And when it comes to customer support, response times could definitely be faster, especially if you run into technical issues or compatibility questions. The included manual? A bit vague, so expect some trial and error while figuring out the advanced features. Let me know if you'd like me to refine it further. Moving on to number 4, the 2025 launch Creader Elite brings professional-grade diagnostics right to your garage. Imagine having dealership-level control without the hefty price tag. This scanner stands out with bidirectional control and ECU coding, 2 must-have features for modern Mercedes vehicles. The 4-inch touchscreen is crisp and easy to read, making navigation effortless. And here's a real time saver. The Auto VIN detection automatically pulls up your vehicle's details, so you can get started in seconds. Whether you're tackling basic diagnostics or diving deep into multiple vehicle systems, this tool is built to handle it all. One thing users love? The Android-based system. It feels fast, familiar, and incredibly responsive. Plus, you can monitor 4 PIDs at once, giving you a real-time snapshot of your vehicle's performance. And for those who prefer a multilingual interface, this scanner makes it easy for a wide range of users to navigate. Now here's something really interesting. This tool offers offline ECU coding. That means you can make changes without an internet connection. Super handy. Just keep in mind, it does require a bit of technical know-how to use effectively. And to prevent interruptions during long sessions, the battery voltage display ensures your vehicle stays powered throughout the process. Of course, no device is flawless. Some users have noticed that the software can feel a little unpolished, with occasional crashes during heavier tasks. Power consumption? Higher than some competing models. So keep that in mind if you plan on extended diagnostics. And while the update process ensures long-term usability, it's not the smoothest. It can be a bit tedious. Also, some advanced functions require multiple steps to access, which might be frustrating if you're looking for quick results. Coming in at number 3, the ANCEL BZ700 stands out as a powerful diagnostic tool designed for Mercedes owners who want a deeper look into their vehicle's health. From basic engine codes to advanced system diagnostics, this scanner does it all, including ABS bleeding and battery registration, features you'd typically find in high-end models. Now let's talk about usability. The 2.8-inch LCD screen may be smaller than some competitors, but it still delivers clear, easy-to-read information. And here's a feature you'll love. The one-click hotkeys for reading and clearing codes make diagnostics quicker and smoother. No endless menus, just straight to the point. Another big plus? Its compact size. lightweight enough to use one-handed, making those under-the-hood moments much more convenient. And this is really clever. It highlights fault systems in red, so you can spot problems instantly instead of hunting through endless data. Plus, the silicone grip gives it a durable, comfortable feel, especially during long diagnostic sessions. Now, if you're working on a Mercedes diesel vehicle, this tool brings some serious advantages. Features like AdBlue metering reset and fuel pump activation ensure your system runs efficiently. A huge help for diesel owners. And thanks to the data stream classification system, information is organized logically, so tracking specific parameters is a breeze. Of course, no tool is perfect. The interface feels a bit dated compared to newer models, and the button layout takes some time to get used to. Some users have noticed inconsistent readings with certain modules, especially on newer Mercedes models. Another thing to consider, the data export options are limited, and updating the software via PC isn't as smooth as it could be. What do you think? Would you try this scanner for your Mercedes? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Taking the second spot, the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool delivers professional-grade diagnostics right at your fingertips. If you're looking for a scanner that goes beyond basic code reading, this one packs a punch with enhanced data stream capabilities and special reset functions that make troubleshooting far more effective. One of its standout features? The Repair Solutions 2 app integration. This isn't just another scan tool. It actually helps you understand what's wrong with your vehicle. The app provides detailed repair information, cost estimates, and potential fixes, so you're not left guessing. And here's where it gets even better. With bidirectional control, you can actively test vehicle systems like fuel pumps, electronic parking brakes, and more. That means you're not just diagnosing problems, you're actually taking control and making sure components respond as they should. I really appreciate that this scanner offers free updates with no subscription fees. That's a big win for long-term value. Plus, it supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a wide range of users. And if you ever run into a tricky issue, you've got ASE-certified technical support to back you up, so you're never left troubleshooting alone. Another huge plus? You don't need to be a professional mechanic to use it. The interface is intuitive, guiding you through various diagnostic procedures with step-by-step instructions. And the built-in verification system? It confirms when a repair is successful, taking the guesswork out of the process. Taking the top spot on our list is the iCarsoft MB v3.0 bidirectional diagnostic tool. This 2025 Mercedes OBD2 scanner really stands out, and here's why. With over 35 reset services and comprehensive system coverage, this tool is built to handle it all. What I really love about it is the ergonomic design. It's got a tough TPU shell that ensures durability and makes extended use so much more comfortable. Whether you're working on basic engine codes or tackling complex adaptive systems, this tool is ready to dive deep into all major vehicle systems with ease. For Mercedes owners, this tool is a game changer. Its specialized focus on Mercedes means it offers deeper access to manufacturer-specific systems, giving you insight that other scanners just can't match. The real-time recording and graphing capabilities, they make tracking intermittent issues way more effective. No more guesswork. Now, let's talk about maintenance. This tool goes above and beyond with newer features like NOx sensor testing and radar camera calibration. The bidirectional control is truly impressive, allowing you to test and adapt components, which is essential for modern Mercedes repairs. This feature alone makes it invaluable for anyone serious about their vehicle's performance. But a couple of things to keep in mind. While the iCarsoft MB v3.0 offers extensive capabilities, some features are model-specific and may not be compatible with all Mercedes vehicles. There is also a learning curve if you're new to advanced diagnostics, so it might take a bit to get the hang of it. And yes, the price point is on the higher side. While it's completely justified by the tool's capabilities, it might not be the best choice for someone who only needs to use it occasionally. That wraps up our top 5 OBD2 scanners for Mercedes-Benz in 2025. You can find links to these scanners and their current prices in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews and tutorials on automotive diagnostic tools.